morning and welcome to day 7 of Vlogust and Mediterranean Lifestyle Month. Today for breakfast we're going to make farro, which is a grain that's similar to barley in texture. And I'm just going to make it like I would oatmeal. I'm going to follow the package instructions to boil it, and then I'm going to put on some fruit and drizzle some honey on top. And I believe it's one of the things that the ancient Roman army used to eat. So it's kind of an old grain, one of those ancient kind of grains that are really healthy for you. And we'll see what else we get up to today. I'm thinking of making stuffed peppers for dinner. So I'll see if I stick to that plan. So come along for the day. Breakfast, I have some farro here, and I'm going to jazz it up with some fruit. So I have some figs and some peaches and sprinkle on some blueberries. I'm going to drizzle everything with a little bit of honey. Lunch with some tuna salad with some grape tomatoes on an English muffin with a side of a little handful of blue chips. Just popping out to the store to pick up a couple of things for dinner. So like I said, I am going to make stuffed peppers for dinner, and what I like to do is stuff them with rice and cannellini beans. My mom used to make them with rice and ground beef, but I don't really like to do that. And then I like to have tomato sauce to pour over the top of them, but I feel like it needs some kind of side dish. So I think we're going to just pick up some ravioli to have on the side so that we just have a few ravioli each just as a little supplement to the meal. And that's what we're doing now. I have 4 sweet bell peppers. I've cut the top off, cleaned out the seeds, I've rinsed them so you can see they're clean inside. And I'm going to parboil them while the rice is cooking on another burner. The peppers are out of the water, they're parboiled. I dried them off, put them in this baking sheet, and now I'm going to alternate between the cooked rice, which I stirred a little tomato sauce into, and the beans. I'm just gonna layer the stuffing over and over until I get to the top, and then I'm gonna top them off with some Italian breadcrumbs. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed today's recipes and you had a lot of fun. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to know every time one of my videos goes live. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!